Ever wonder why most startup-friendly banks still feel like they were built in 1995? When I launched my first company, I wasted hours manually tagging transactions and moving money between spreadsheets just to see if we were actually profitable. Then I switched to Relay. After using it to manage our entire operation, I've found that the best way to use it isn't just as a place to store cash, it's using it as a financial operating system. Here's the exact framework I use to run a lean startup on Relay. 1. Execute the profit-first method. The biggest advantage of Relay is that you can open up to 20 individual checking accounts with no fees or minimums. Instead of one giant bucket of money, I divide my income immediately. I have dedicated accounts for operating expenses, the daily burn, owner's pay, ensuring I actually get a salary, taxes, setting aside 25% of every dollar that comes in so there are no surprises in April, profit, a small percentage that acts as a rainy day fund. 2. Automate your allocations. Don't move this money manually. I set up auto transfer rules. Every time a client payment hits my main income account, Relay automatically distributes those funds into my tax and profit accounts based on percentages I've set. It's set it and forget it accounting that ensures the business stays healthy even when I'm busy. 3. High granularity team spending. Stop sharing one physical debit card or reimbursement form. I issue virtual cards for every specific software subscription and every team member. If my marketing lead needs a budget for ads, they get a dedicated card with a hard spending limit. If a vendor tries to overcharge me or a subscription is hard to cancel, I just freeze that specific virtual card without affecting the rest of the business. 4. Deep integration with bookkeeping. I keep my accounting clean by syncing Relay directly with QuickBooks Online. Because I use the multiple account structure, my bookkeeper doesn't have to guess what a transaction was for. The account name tells the story. This turns tax season from a month-long headache into a 15-minute review. 5. Maximizing surplus cash. Once the startup scaled and we had a cash cushion, I moved our excess capital into Relay savings accounts. They offer competitive APY, allowing our idle tax and profit reserves to earn interest while they sit there. It's a simple way to make the money work as hard as the team does. If you're still using a traditional bank, you're likely fighting your tools instead of using them. Start by opening those sub-accounts today and automating your first transfer. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.